Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my experiences using cruelty-free skincare and makeup on mature skin. Today, I'm going to be unboxing this. This is the Yule Ball 2020 box. This comes from Alchemy For The Skin. If you've never heard of Alchemy For The Skin, I had not either until I heard my friend Nina from the channel Just Nina talk about getting a box from this company, and she also mentioned that she had heard of Alchemy For The Skin from Arkansas Gals Andrea. So I went back and watched some of Andrea's videos about the brand, and I actually ended up subscribing to Andrea's channel too because I just enjoy her so much. So I'll have Nina's channel and Andrea's channel linked down below. If you don't watch them, please go check them out. You'll love both of them. Anyhow, they both have talked about really enjoying Alchemy For The Skin. You know, I love to support small brands, and they don't get much smaller than this. This is pretty much a one-woman operation. Everything she makes is, well, almost everything she makes is Harry Potter themed. She does not do a subscription box. This is not a subscription box. It's more like when you buy a mystery box from a brand. You order them ahead of time. I ordered this one months ago, and it was like a pre-order, and it was pretty much the last day to get the Yule Ball box when I ordered mine, because she does all this by herself. She designs, creates, handcrafts, everything, puts these boxes together, and that takes some time, y'all. If you go to her website, I'll have that linked below, of course, then you'll see she has some boxes for sale now that she's working on, and then she also has some individual items that she's selling. She does amazing things from what I can see in the videos, and I can't wait to see what's in my box. I know it's going to be beautifully packaged. Everything I've ever seen from her brand is beautiful, and I'm excited about seeing what's in here. I have not opened it yet, so let's take a peek together. I'm going to get my glasses on so that as I pull each thing out, I can tell you what it is and give you a good look at it. Okay, so as I said, everything is Harry Potter themed, so I'm expecting that. I really was into Harry Potter back in the day. My sons were growing up at the time that the books were coming out, and as they read them, I would read them too. I didn't read the last book. I didn't read book 7. I read through book 6. I started to read book 7, and by then the kids had gotten older and the stories had gotten darker, and I just kind of lost interest. If I'd known it was going to be the last one, I probably would have finished it just to get through the series. But I did enjoy, especially the first 3 or 4 books. I think probably the first 4 books I loved. 5 and 6 started getting a little down for me, but I still read those and I still did enjoy them. Just the first 4 were magical to me. I haven't been into Harry Potter in a long time, but I'm excited to see what Harry Potter things that she has in this box. This says, Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry requests the pleasure of your company at the Yule Ball to celebrate Christmas and the Triwizard Tournament to be held at 1900 hours Christmas Day at the Great Hall, Hogwarts School. Is that not so cool? She designs just the most detailed, beautiful things to include in her boxes. Then on the back here, oh, I guess it's a list of everything in the box. So if I can't see a label on something or tell what something is, I'll refer to this. Okay, underneath that was some beautiful blue tissue paper that matches that beautiful card. I'm gonna peel that away. Okay, right on top here is a little sticker like the one on the front of the box that says Yule Ball 2020, and that's the same as the design here on the front of the box. Then, oh, this is pretty. To celebrate Christmas and the Triwizard Tournament to be held at 1900 hours. So the same thing the card said. It's like a little pen. It says thank you on it. This is what it looks like. And I'll take it out of the package now. This says that this is the exclusive #2 Snow Globe Enamel Pen designed by Magical Mischief Managed for Alchemy For The Skin. So I guess Magical Mischief Managed must be another small creator. It's got like the little clips on the back so you can hold it on. And that's a beautiful pin to wear at Christmas time. Isn't that pretty? It's a snow globe with the snowflake in the middle, and it says Hogwarts Yule Ball, December 25th, 1994. So that was the first Yule Ball in the book. Isn't that cool? So you could wear that with any outfit in the winter during the holiday season. And if it's a Harry Potter fan and they see this part, they're going to know right away what that is. Okay, let's see what's next in the box. Oh, this is a cool key. Let's see what this is. Let me find it on here. Flying Key Ornament. So this is an ornament. Oh, that's cool. It says Aloe Mora on it. Oh, oh my gosh, the detail she puts. This has these delicate, delicate wings on it. Can you see those behind my finger? In front of my finger? Those are so cool. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I wish you could see this in person. I don't think that it's going to show up on the video just how beautiful that really, really is. Wow, I love it. Love it, love it. So this beautiful pin so far, and this beautiful key ornament. So I think you're probably getting an idea of the kind of things that this lovely, lovely brand puts out. The next thing, let's see if I can find it on the card here. This is Pettigrew's Peculiar Potion Shop. It has the address. Oh my gosh, I love her detailing. Look how cool it is. Oh, isn't that adorable? I love it. It's got a little cork in it, and it's got like a little bit of wax dripping down from where she sealed the top of the cork. Oh, it's so cool. Everything is handmade, and you can tell. It's just beautiful. So this is Arctic Ice. Drinking the entire contents will give you immediate protection when walking through flames. Cool. Let's see. I don't really know what I'm supposed to do with this, so I will try to find it out. Oh, I think this is the Arctic Ice Potion. Yeah. Arctic Ice Potion bottle ornament, because it has like a little ornament hook on it. So that's another ornament. Isn't that adorable? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm so glad that's not something to be used up, because I would not want to break that seal. So cool. So that's supposed to be the potion from the books. Awesome. Okay, let's see what's next. This one is, I'm going to have to open the package to see what this is. Came in like a little clear cellophane wrapper, but I couldn't see through to see what it was. Okay, this one is the Tri-Wizard Blue Vanilla Whipped Coconut Oil from Alchemy for the Skin. This box, from what I've seen from Andrea and Nina, is full of all kinds of like little lifestyle things. Like I've picked up the 2 ornaments and the pretty pin, and also some skincare products, which is the Alchemy for the Skin. This is when I really wish you could smell through YouTube videos. You're not going to have any idea how lovely this is. I just can't find words. I cannot find words. It smells like coconut marshmallow. Lovely, amazing goodness. Oh my gosh. This is so good. And it's sinking right into my skin, so it's not too heavy of an oil. See? Oh, and it smells amazing. I may have to buy some more of this just individually if she has that for sale. That is wonderful. Okay, next. This one, it says Shimmering Ice Vanilla Lip Gloss. Oh, yeah, and this one says ice butter and coconut oil. Let's see if it smells like that other one. Everything has such cute little detailing on the packages. I just love that. Here's the lip gloss. Let's see. This one has a similar scent. It's a little bit different, but you would expect that because the formula is a little bit different. Oh my gosh. Oh, that tastes so good. It feels good on my lips. It's definitely a gloss. I didn't bring a mirror down here, so hopefully I got that on my lips and not on my face. Oh, it feels so good. Smells so good. Tastes so good. Yay. I'm so excited about this box, y'all. I've been looking forward to this. Like I said, I pre-ordered this a couple of 3 months ago. It was, I think it might have been September. I know it was at least October. And I knew it was going to come in December. I didn't have any expectation to get it before now. But it was worth waiting for. Definitely worth waiting for. Okay, the next thing here. Holiday Sparkle Snowflake Blue Ice Guest Soaps. Paraffin-free glycerin soap. Alchemy for the Skin. Let's see. I'm not going to open these right now if I can smell. They smell good. This is what they look like. And I don't want to tear this package away because I love her packaging. And I want to leave at least this in the package for a little while to display till after Christmas. Okay, let's see what's next. This is After the Ball Nighty Night Tea. Lemongrass, spearmint, peppermint, chamomile, lavender, and calendula. Oh my gosh. I'm not a big tea drinker, but I do love things like these, the really cool herbal teas. Oh, this is going to be delicious. I do have a little water bottle with a tea, what do you call it? Tea diffuser, I guess, in the top. Obviously, I don't drink a lot of tea. I don't know what it's called, but the little tea holder in the top, then it diffuses the tea down. I'll definitely be trying some of this and reporting back on it. I think what I'll do, since this is not a subscription box, so it's a mystery box. I don't know when I'll be getting something from the company. What I'll do is, as I use things up, I'll put them in my empty so I can talk about them there. Because I do want to report back on them afterwards. Not just show you the beautiful presentation, but tell you about the products themselves. This one is the Arctic Blue Ice Cooling Gel. Cooling relief for sore muscles after dancing all night. I've heard she has a lot of healing type products, and I'm excited about this. I've been getting a lot of mid-back pain lately, and this sounds like it may be just the thing I need. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, everything she makes. Look, see the pretty blue there. I can't really tilt this because I'm afraid it'll spill. Maybe you can see it there. This is going to be so nice. And it is instantly cooling on the skin. And I love the icy blue of everything. It's got that gorgeous label like everything else has. And it smells amazing. Okay, a couple more things in here. This was a great box. It was like, I think maybe 38, 35, 33. It was in the 30s, 30-some dollars. For all of this, that's amazing pricing. Okay, this is the Champagne Cherry Fizz Body Cream, Aloe and Shea Butter. Oh, smells like cherry. Look at that. Excited about trying that. Let me put a little bit on the back of my hand just so I can tell you. I know it's going to be really rich and creamy because everything she's made, everything I've heard the other girls talk about, and everything I've tried so far is just such high quality. And yes, sinks right in. Smells great on the skin. It does have a cherry smell. Sometimes cherry smells are too heavy for me. This one is not. This one just smells fresh and wonderful. Okay, what's this? This is the Arctic Blue Ice Pumpkin Juice. Let's see, it doesn't really say on here what I do with this. Let's see. Body dew. Okay. Oh, it's a body oil. It says on the side. Skin drenching pumpkin body oil. Oh, y'all know I love body oil. I've talked about that on my channel plenty. And I love pumpkin. This will go so well. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, why can you not smell it through the phone here as I'm recording? There's the labeling again. I know I'm going to love this body oil just like I love pretty much every body oil that's ever come my way. And this one smells fantastic. Yay. Okay. Oh, we're not done yet, guys. Still going. This one is, oh, this is the Durmstrang Room Spray, Cuban Tobacco. Cuban Tobacco Room Spray. Let's see. I don't know if I'll be able to smell it over all these other wonderful scents I've had all over me. Oh, I love it. I love it. And it's got the perfect name because it does smell like Cuban tobacco. But in a good way. Not like somebody smoked a cigar in the room, but just like that little hint of that good scent when you smell a cigar. Not when it's burning, but when you smell the actual cigar. Yummy. I love it. Okay, then this one is, there. Yule Ball Blue Raspberry Coconut Butter Preservative Lip Balm. That smells so good. Little label in the bottle. I'm not going to try to put this one on my mouth because I just put that lip gloss on and on top of my lipstick, so it's hard telling what kind of smear I've got going on, but smells really good. I bet it tastes really good too. It smells like it would. And then inside here, the packaging, she's got it well packaged and just a couple of little snowflakes mixed in with the packing. I mean, her packaging is just to die for. I knew it was. I've seen it in videos. I don't know that it's going to come across as beautiful as it really is because when I watched Andrea's videos and Nina's videos, I knew it was gorgeous, but I couldn't tell just how beautiful it is. If you are thinking about getting anything from Alchemy to the Skin, do it. If you go look at their website and you see something that interests you and it sounds like something you would use, get it. These are amazing products. This woman is so creative and so talented. And I mean, I've got so many different kinds of things. I've got tea. I've got beautiful little pin to wear. I've got body products galore, lip products, a room spray, beautiful little ornaments. I mean, just so much. And it's all more body products. I mean, it's just all so beautiful. So beautifully packaged. The scents alone are worth buying this box. And I can tell the quality of the products is really there too. And that's what I've heard from Andrea and from Nina. So anyway, go check out Alchemy for the Skin. I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure did. If you did enjoy it, please consider subscribing. Just hit that subscribe button down below and then ring the notification bell next to that so you'll know when I post new videos. Bye for now.